Hello, dear video viewers. Welcome back to my new video. I am Shapon Kumar Nundi. I have my father with me. The name of my father is Devbrata Kumar Nundi. There. I ask you some question. Are you ready, my dear son? Okay.
Yes.
What's your name?
Nundi.
Okay, very good. What's your village name, please?
Akpongoli.
Very good. Your village Akpongoli at Horetur Upazila in Pabna district. It is a popular district in our country. Now, okay, I ask you more word. Okay, okay. Baba dog mane. Acha confidence mane. Acha fox mane. Fox. Shial. Right. Baba. Next question. House mane ki? House. House mane. Tell me, house mane, Baba. Hello, listen me, please. House mane. Baba, look at the camera, please. Hello, house mane, please. Okay, house mane ghor. Hat mane. Banga ghor, right? Okay. Tell me, cow mane. Hamba. Karambula mane. Kamranga, right, Baba. Okay, next question. Confidence mane. Atvichachi, right. Knowledge mane. Okay, very good. Knowledge mane gyan buddhi. Okay, I ask you more question. Okay. তুমি বলো can মানে কি can? Very good. Can মানে পারা. Make মানে? Okay, তৈরি করা. It's the field. You can see there are many people, there are many students come here visit in this area. I also and we are also come here visit in this area. It is a college field. The name of the college is Pabna Police Line School field. You can see there are many people, there are many students come here visit in this area, and there are many people and there are many students are playing football, and some people playing cricket in this field. It is a tourist place and it is a beautiful place in my district. It is a popular district in my country. The name of my district is Pabna district. It is a famous district in our country. Okay, I ask you some question. Okay, Baba. Okay, go mane ki? Jawa. Right. Do mane? Kora. Wow, very good. You are intelligent boy. Okay. I ask you one question. Find mane ki, Baba? Find. Tell me. Hello, Baba. Find mane? Khuja. Okay. Find mane khuja. You know English is an international language. It is a foreign language, but it is a easy language if you try. When you try regular, I hope that you will be able to speak in English. You will be able to learn English. Just practice. You know, practice makes and perfect. If you more learn, if you more you perfect, just practice. Okay, bye bye, Baba. Please bye bye. Okay, next time see you. Okay.